Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Monday, August the 5th, 2024. Just did a video, coffee number 39, heat index over 100. I'm sweating, drinking coffee. No, this is not a coffee video. There's a phenomena that I used to be familiar with, and now I'm glad I'm not familiar with it. Let me explain. In the last two full 4-year Bitcoin cycles that I've been in, when there was a market crash, it rattled me to the core, made me doubt why I even invested $1 in the cryptocurrency, got the deer in the headlight look. Then the prices rebounded, and I was kicking myself for not buying when the prices were down. And I'm buying, and I'm telling my Patreon group what I'm buying. But I don't know why people in the cryptocurrency space that knows volatility could be just around the corner, they bail as soon as there's a significant dip, dare I say, crash in the market, and then they kick themselves because they didn't buy at least a little bit while the price was down. Anyhow, this is my third 4-year Bitcoin cycle. I'm not afraid. I'm not fazed by it. I like the risk. I don't enjoy the day-to-day because, yeah, my portfolio is down, but I am definitely buying. I know you don't like to hear that, especially when you're out of fiat, but you got to buy in the red and sell in the green. That's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.